Hi there. There. So, you're an actual Cleveland police officer?
No, I'm not with Cleveland PD. I work for Cleveland Watchmen. We're a security company that hires only off-duty police officers to do traffic control.
Are you an off-duty police officer?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, who are you with?
Pickaway Sheriff's Office.
Pickaway.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So you're out of
They do.
Ohio, and you're here working in Franklin County in Whitehall as an off-duty police officer.
No, I'm working as a security guard. So we do.
No, you're uniform marked as a police officer. You're working as a police officer right now with a car that has red and blue lights on it.
Yeah.
All
so
right.
I've got some paperwork I can give to you from.
Absolutely, and I'll need to get your information. I've been asked to come up here by my deputy chief and get that.
Okay.
Because, yeah.
And I was told by the guys, like, hey, we'll take care of a commission, we'll get it taken care of, it's no big deal. I come out here, I was told, hey, you can start, make some money. That's all I was trying to do. Please do not, I'm asking you for courtesy, man to man, please do not ruin my career. Please, please, please.
I think you did that kind of on your own cases.
Please.
All right. The Pickaway County, you knew you didn't work for Pickaway County. You displayed that badge. All right. You're out here acting in law enforcement capacity, displaying a badge that you have no right to have, or a facsimile of a badge. That's not even a real badge. You were aware of that.
Yeah,
okay.
It's not real.
Okay. So, all right, you're going to be charged.
Oh, seriously.
I'm serious. Okay. Now we're going to be nice about this. Okay. And we're going to take you over, and you can take your gun belt off, and you can set it on the hood of that car, okay? And we're going to take you in. We don't have to handcuff you. This officer is going to pat you down, all right? And we'll let you out, all right, on a summons, all right? Now,
Are we too far for me to?
where?
Listen,
okay.
Completely deceptive.
Here's the problem. Here's you have to understand that right now we can charge you for improperly handling in the vehicle. I can charge you for impersonating a police officer. All right, there's tons of charging. There. Well, probably the impersonation of a police officer.
So
all right.
The best thing to do right now is to just take off the belt.
And I'm
All right, so let's step over here and take care of that first.
Smith, right here. Right here.
All right.
Take off the belt. Down on the sword.
You don't have anything else on you, do you?
No.
All right.
Just
No, don't reach in. All right, you should know the drill. All right. And it's loaded, right? Okay, we're not gonna.
Well, things changed. We try to do the reasonableness test here, but listen, man, there's just way too much. You've got a code in there that doesn't belong to you. That's got deputy sheriff stuff on there. You got a loaded rifle. You're a traffic guy, man. That's all your detail's going to be. What active shooter situation are you going into? That you need to carry a loaded rifle and rifle plates. Listen, this is all because we're trying to look cool, whatever. I get it. Well, you're completely in the wrong. That's all I can tell you. You got to put your foot in there.
One little joyride? Is that why it's being taken?
Well, he's not a certified police officer.
This is a real drive, isn't it?
Yeah, should be.
That's all just $30 instead of hanging around again. I'll just charge you that.
Whatever's easy.
None of it's easy. Easy to be home and enjoy a beer.
Yeah, especially on a day like today.
Oh, yeah. But tonight I can't even do that when I get off because I'm on call tonight.
Ah, you get the same thing we get. There.
Usually we only do Sunday nights, but one of our guys just had a kid last night. He just put it in this morning. He asked me to come for him so he could spend a couple days with him, so